Hi guys, before we proceed to the video, I would like to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. And here's your random shout out. Shout out, Brighty Baby, Marzalyn Divino, Society Vines, Xenos Gaming, Deep Borua, AL Juice, Jack Venpoya, Moscow Plays, Eileen Joey, Hateless Plays. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag Hartzytv. Who want this? Open PicsArt. We are going to put first the borders for the photo. Click Border. Set the outer border into 0. Change color of inner border. I would like to use this color. It's up to you of what color would you use for. Set the inner border duration into 2 seconds. Save the photo and do the same process on the 4 more different photos. Open Capcut. Create a new project. We are going to add first the photos with no borders. Add audio. Extract the video into sound. I have link in the description. Set the duration of photos. These are the durations of 5 photos. Okay, next we are going to add animation. These are the animations. Add overlay. Add animation for overlay. Add effects. Add another overlay. But this time, we are going to add photos with borders. Select the overlay photo that's same with the main photos. And then move the photo like this. Place this white line at the end of the first overlay, and then add another photo. Select the photo that's same on the main photos. Adjust the photo same size on the first overlay. Do the same process for the other photos. Add animation for overlays. These are the animations. Add photo without borders. We need it for different photos, but I will show you the durations for this photo. Copy the photo and set the duration. These are the durations for this photo clips. Add 3 more photos. Do the same process for the other photos. And these are the durations for the clips. Next, we are going to add animations. These are the animations. Add effects. Copy this effect and then move to the last clips of every photos. Like this. Let's make another white flash effect. Add overlay first. We don't need to put white flash effect on this clip. Sorry, my phone is lagging. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.